Good evening, everybody. A very good evening to all of you, bachcho. I am back with another job notification, and this time I am with Rights Limited, a Government of India enterprise, and they have released a job notification for GATE 2020 and GATE 2021 aspirants that they can now join this organization through their GATE score, and all the details I'll be sharing in this video. So stay tuned, watch till the end, and enjoy the benefits of this video. But let me first start by introducing myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded gold medal by the President of India himself in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes, and I am currently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Now beta, most of the students know this about me, but what they don't know is that this channel has really revolutionized the field of GATE and ESE education by empowering students, providing them the best possible resources that they can have, and making sure that our students stay at the top, they stay in the front of the line, and they are the first ones to grab any opportunity, any job opportunity that comes their way. And we make sure through our YouTube initiatives, and not only the YouTube initiatives, but also the Unacademy Learning app initiatives. So beta, make sure that you have Unacademy Learning app in your phone and you are making the best use of it by attending all the free classes. You just have to unlock them using the code AnkitESE. Very simple. Now let's move on to it. But before doing that, this is my link to my special classes on Unacademy app. Just go to this link and check out the upcoming section. You will come to know what all classes I'll be taking in the near future, and whatever I have taken, all the links are here beta, whether it may be the PSU question series, GATE question series, mixed question, everything you will find here. Now, so recruitment of GET through GATE 2020 and GATE 2021 score. Rights is a Mini Ratna Central PSU under the Ministry of Railways, Government of India multidisciplinary consultancy organization in the field of transport infrastructure and related technology. Okay, I don't think this matters much to us because we are more interested in knowing what sort of vacancies are there. So beta, for electrical, we have 2 vacancies in unreserved, 1 in EWS, 2 in OBC, 2 in SC, 1 in ST, a total of 8 vacancies. Similarly, in civil, we have 25 vacancies, and in mechanical 15 vacancies. Obviously, because in civil and mechanical there is more demand for the transport and they have a bigger role to play than electrical. Other than that beta, just a minute, the minimum age is 21 years and the maximum age for this job is 30 years on 1st of July 2021. So just make sure that you lie within this age group for applying to this job. Now, GET Electrical needs to have a full-time BE, BTech or a BSc degree in electrical or EEE. Electronics and communication is not written here. Okay, electronics and instrumentation is also not written here. So either EE or EEE. GET Civil. Civil engineering, simple. For GET Mechanical, you need to have a degree in mechanical or production or industrial or automobile. So mechanical engineers, production engineer, industrial engineer and automobile engineers all can apply for this mechanical job. Now, candidate belonging to general or EWS need to have minimum 60% marks. Okay, that is the marks criteria in your graduation, 60% marks, and for reserved category it is minimum 50% marks. Now, final year students are also eligible to apply provided they have minimum 60% marks and for reserved category 50% or equivalent CGPA. But remember beta, for CGPA conversion to percentage, your college must always provide a certificate because they do not have any standard how to convert CGPA to percentage. So if your college gives you SGPA, CGPA, make sure that you get a certificate about the basis of conversion of it into percentage. Now, for electrical, you must have appeared for electrical paper. For civil, you must have appeared for CE. And for mechanical, you must have appeared for ME. Though the automobile industrial engineers are also eligible, but they need to appear in the GATE exam through mechanical paper code. Okay. Now, candidates obtaining valid marks out of 100 shall be eligible for the next stage of selection, and the marks, it will be valid if the candidate obtain more than the qualifying marks. Obviously, if you clear the cutoff, then only you are eligible for this job. Candidates should apply with only one, either GATE 2020 score or GATE 2021. Beta, whichever has better score, whichever has better marks, use that. Okay. And if you apply using both, then higher marks will be considered automatically. Okay. Now, qualified candidates should be listed category wise. So that means the list will be prepared category wise, and your interview call will be based on the marks out of 100. So see, suppose there are 8 vacancies. So they will call either 16 candidates, 20 candidates, 25 candidates for those 8 vacancies. And that too category wise. Like in general, if there are 2 vacancies, they might call 8 to 10 candidates for it. Okay. Now, the thing is, due to prevalent pandemic situation, the process of recruitment may be conducted online. So that depends on the rights whether they want to conduct the recruitment offline or online. Okay. Now, candidates shortlisted for interview shall need to submit the documents. Beta, this is happening in every PSU. You need to have a original copy and a Xerox copy of all your documents, and your interview will carry a weightage of 25% and 75% will be given for your GATE marks. Okay. Now, it is saying that 60% marks, minimum of 60% marks in interview for general and EWS, and minimum of 50% marks for reserved categories. That means the qualifying marks they have set, but based on number of candidates who qualify for this position, they will only select the top candidates, but at least these many marks you need to get in interview. Okay. Now, nature and the period of engagement, you will be provided a training period of 2 months. After you complete your training period, you will have a pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000, and you will be on a probation period for 2 years. That is, you will not be given a permanent employee status for 2 years. Now, you can be posted at any place in India as per the requirement of company. So they will not disclose your posting location initially, and you will be required to clear the screening test for confirmation of services at the end of probation period. That is, there will be a test conducted after your probation period is over, and then only you can be given an employee status. If you don't qualify that screening test, then either your probation may be extended, that is, you might be asked to be on the probation period for more number of months, or they may take another action. That is, they might even remove you. Okay. Remuneration, that is, you will be in a pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000, and during the probation, this will be your pay scale. And you will also be provided allowances like DA, variable pay, HRA, leave, okay, performance related pay, medical facility, pension, gratuity. All of this will be provided based on your company policy. So in government job, this is the minimum thing, that is the basic pay. Don't judge it that this will be your enhanced salary. The enhanced salary is much higher than your base pay because of a large number of benefits they provide. Okay. So when you are willing to apply, general and OBC candidate need to pay 600 plus taxes. SC, ST can pay 300 rupees plus taxes. Okay. And once you are selected, you will have to serve the bond, and the bond amount will be rupees 1 lakh. Okay. Is that clear? After the training period, you will have to give a service agreement bond. Okay. To complete the prescribed training period. That is during the training period, not after the training period. You need to give a bond for during the training period. Is that clear? For reserved category, that bond amount is 50,000. Now, how to apply? You need to visit this website www.rights.com. Okay. The commencement has already started from 30th of July. It will end on 25th of August. And date of selection will be notified later on the website. So that's all from my side. And guys, those of you who want to join an academy, join immediately because new batches are starting from 4th of August. And my friend, you will get live classes by top educator, crash courses, and not only this, you will have daily assignment, weekly tests, test series, question bank, and I myself will be answering all your queries at 5 p.m. every day. But if you want to fly higher, go with Iconic, where all plus benefits are included along with a personal coach who will create a study planner for you. Teachers will guide you in study booster session. You will get personalized test analysis done by the experts. You will get extra study material, and my friend, there will be a dedicated team to solve all your queries. In case you decide to join, don't hesitate and apply the code Ankit ESE to get immediate 10% discount and come under my personal guidance. Okay, so my friend, my electrical machine course is running on Unacademy Plus every day from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. then 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Other than that, I provide PS Bhimra book question every day at 2 p.m. and every day 5 p.m. I'll be solving your queries. Now, if you want to learn in the most comprehensive manner with more than 1000 questions, this is the course that you should be pursuing. Okay, and remember, tomorrow we will be having a combat. So enroll in the combat using the link given in description. Use code Ankit ESE to unlock it and enjoy all the benefits of combat, my dear friend. And in case you decide to join Unacademy, join Iconic 2-year program where you will have a personal coach assigned who will give an edge to your preparation. Don't see this amount as a huge amount, my friend. This is an investment in your education which you can either pay in installment or avail education loan from Unacademy. In case you can't afford to join Iconic, join Plus using the code Ankit ESE. For 2 years, it will be at 40 to 480. Again, you can either pay it in installment or education loan from Unacademy. This is my Unacademy profile. In case you have any queries, feel free to message me. This is my Telegram channel where you get daily notification of all the videos along with the notes, along with the daily quizzes. And in case you find anything that is offensive in our video, please feel free to report it using the form given in the description. And in case your point is valid, you will be suitably rewarded. So thank you everybody. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment below the video whether or not you are going to apply for it. I have put forward all the facts. I know the vacancies are not very high, but that is what government has issued and I am there to inform you about it. I neither endorse nor I feel anything bad about any job opening. So it is not my personal opinion. It is what the government has issued. So I hope you understand that, and in case you want any new kind of services, any new kind of videos from my side, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to comply. Till then, let's crack it.